Right now, I want you to say to yourself, it is not too late. It is not too late for you to do the things that you need to do in order for you to have a better future tomorrow. It is not too late for you to say to yourself, I am too young to start working on the things that I want to achieve in the future. It is not too late for you to call that person that hurt you, or better yet, speak with their spirit. Let them know you forgive them. It's not too late for you to start taking action. Maybe learn from the mistake that you made in the past, but do not let it handicap you. It is not too late for you to love yourself the way you were meant to love. It is not too late for you to forgive the person who may have raped you, the person who may have caused domestic violence against you, that caused you to be in a pain with the next relationship. It is not too late for you to forgive the people that may have hurt you so bad, but it handicapped you from moving forward. It is not too late for you to understand the greatness that you have in you. It is your responsibility to make it flourish. It is not too late for you to invest in yourself. For you to know that every knowledge you acquire is like building a database. It is not too late for you to know the direction of your life, because you will become your own GPS. It is not too late when there are a detour in the road to success for you to know the alternative decision that you must take in order for you to get back on track. I want you to say, it is not too late, because I believe in you. Let's do it.